Complete Guide, Formation of Simple Words in English. Introduction. The formation of simple words is one of the first steps in learning English. Understanding how words are constructed helps with reading, writing, and pronunciation. 1. CVC words, consonant to vowel consonant. These words are short and easy to pronounce, helping to recognize basic English patterns. Examples: cat, dog, sun, pen, hat. Example sentences: the cat is small. The dog is barking. The sun is shining. I have a blue pen. She wears a red hat. Exercise. Read the words aloud and try forming short sentences. The cat is small. I have a pen. Answer. The sun is hot. The dog is happy. She lost her pen. 2. Changing vowels to create new words. By changing just the vowel in a CVC word, we create new words with different meaning. Examples: cat, caught, cut, bit, bat, hot, hit, hut. Example sentences: the cot is in the room. He made a deep cut on his finger. She placed a bet on the game. The bat is flying at night. It is hot outside. He hit the ball. The hut is near the lake. Exercise. Take simple words and try changing the vowels to see how they change meaning. Answer. Sit, sat, set, pat, pit, pet, rub, rib, rub. 3. Adding letters at the end, plurals and simple suffixes. Adding letters at the end of words can change their meaning. Examples: dog, dogs, plural, run, running, verb in continuous form, help, helper, person who helped. Example sentences: the dogs are playing in the yard. He is running very fast. The teacher is a great helper. Exercise. Take simple words and try adding seeing or air and see how the meaning changes. Answer. Book, books, jump, jumping, teach, teacher. 4. Compound words. Compound words are created by combining two words to form a new meaning. Examples: sunflower, sunflower, rain, a bow, rainbow, notebook, notebook. Example sentences: the sunflower is yellow. I saw a beautiful rainbow in the sky. I write in my notebook every day. Exercise. Try combining simple words to create new ones. Answer. Fireplace, a fireplace. Moonlight, oh my moonlight. Bed, do your room, to bed. 5. Using simple words in sentences. After learning individual words, the next step is to use them in short sentences. Examples: the sun is bright. I have a red pen. She runs fast. Exercise. Create 5 simple sentences using words you have learned. Answer. The dog is big. I see a rainbow. The pen is black. She is running fast. The cat is playing. Conclusion. Learning simple word formation is essential for building a solid foundation in English. Practicing these concepts will help you improve your reading and writing quickly. If you need more explanations or exercises, let me know.